Hi, it's Jason, Jason's Jungle, and I just can't wait to have a look at my Jerusalem Artichokes. So I'm going to tip a bucket out today and see what's happened to it. So this is a Jerusalem Artichoke. There's 3 strands here, but I only have planted 1 tuber in the bottom, and I've neglected it. I get to water it, haven't paid much attention to it. It's been blown over with the wind, it's dried out a bit, and well, it's been totally unloved. So I'm going to see what this is like and if I've got any harvest on it. As you can see, it's coming out dead easy. So I'll get on with that. There's me one. No. So that's from 1 tuber, which isn't too bad a haul. That's 3, 4, 6, 13 to 1. Make that 14 to 1. Which isn't too bad a harvest, and you consider I've got, well, a bath full of tubers. I should have quite a big harvest of this coming in later on. Now, I do have another bucket with a different variety, which I think I'm going to have a look at as well. So, just hold with us a little while, I'll go and get that as well. Okay, that first one I think was called Fuso. This one is a different one, it's a dwarf variety that I can't remember the name of. But again, there was just 1 tuber in here, and this one however was sitting, got more water because it was sitting on one of the troughs. So if it opens up, there's a lot of small tubers at the edge. Blueberries. Let's get in a bit closer and see what we've got. Okay, so it's a dwarf one, so I mean it's dwarf because it's not supposed to go as high, but hopefully it's not because they're small tubers. These are on the outside. Okay, so produced a lot more tubers, but they're just a lot smaller. So it might be that I have to look at a way of improving them. Some of them will get towards a reasonable size. I do have another bucket of these. I'm tempted to have a look at that, but I'm not going to do it today because I've got enough here to cook up a bit of soup. That's that. Much prefer the Fuso, whatever it's pronounced as, rather than the dwarf one. Which is pretty good because I've got an entire bath full of that, as I've only got 1 bucket more with the dwarf in. I may give the dwarf another go next year, see if I get any more bigger ones, but I'm not working on Sunday, so I can make myself some Jerusalem soup and enjoy it. If you like this, click like, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you on my next video.